I'm Brian.
I'm Rachel. This is Sydney.
And we're in Albany Park. When we bought the house in 2019, the windows were in terrible shape. All the paint was chipping, a lot of the glazing was coming off. They didn't open, they were sealed in place. And over a couple years, we removed all the windows, stripped them, reglazed them, repainted them, and now we can operate them and put the screens in the spring, summer, and fall and enjoy some fresh air.
We really had to fight the windows to get them off the house. They were glued in place, caulked in place, painted in place, so it was just a feat to get them off the house. So we put a lot of man hours into it. This was a labor of love for sure. As we were doing it, we found an article that said refinishing old windows would be about $1,500 a window, so we were especially glad to be doing it, even though in the time it was frustrating.
We removed all the original hardware from the outside, stripped that in a pot, and spray painted it in nice aged copper that contrasts nicely with the blue and the red brick. The storm windows really help to keep out the cold air. So between the storm window and then the casement window on the inside keeps the house nice and warm in the winter, nice and cool in the summer.
Yeah, come summertime, it's really my favorite to take the storms off and put in the screens and enjoy a nice fresh breeze. And now we actually can, now that the windows are operational.